to the ceiling. I switch my swag up, can't you tell the difference? I'm finna feed the whole gang with these meals.
I just had braids this morning. This how my hair looking. It look longer because of the braids. It's kind of curly, but and I had it in my football helmet, so it kind of got messed up at football practice. But I got a picture when I first took my dreads out. I had recorded this morning, and now I'm recording after school. It's like 6. This how my hair looking. It's long. If y'all like it like this, let me know. I'm gonna start braiding my hair more. Just make sure y'all take care of it, you feel me? Make sure y'all hair clean, healthy, and y'all be straight. And I'm gonna show y'all after this clip when I took my braids out, and I'm gonna show y'all pictures when I first took it out from this morning. Alright.
Bro, you just
down the ride for my brother, no. Can't no nigga talk bad about my brother, no. Can't no nigga sit shots at my brother, no.